Hi, my name's Evan with Unified Engineering. I'm an engineer here, and this is my boss, Ed.
I'm working for you, though, Evan, sometimes. I'm Ed Veckie, Vice President of Unified Engineering, and my role is to develop the business both internally within Canada and internationally. So it's always good to give back to universities and to see what upcoming talent is. And even though we're acting as mentors, sort of, there's also a reverse mentorship component where we're learning as well certain things. So it's always good to feel the excitement as well. So what's yours?
It's we always like coming out to see the newer engineers and just stay on top of keeping in touch with younger engineers and having potential come work for us, and it's just good to help out in the community too. I went to school at McMaster and was part of the Baja team throughout my whole time, and we had lots of help from Unified Engineering, and it's just always trying to pay it forward again.
CAD design is one aspect of it, and it's one component of the bigger picture of designing, building what we do at Unified Engineering. We take customers back in the envelope sketches, and we have to run with it and provide them a design that meets their criteria.
I like one of the biggest things is doing competitions like this and getting involved with the extracurriculars. We see a huge difference in talent between people who are just doing school and only doing their courses versus those who get out there and get involved with all the activities going on around campus, whether it's one of the car teams like Solar or Baja or Formula, or doing these design challenges. And today we've been talking to some of the students and learning about all kinds of other new clubs and teams that have been coming out over the last couple of years. It doesn't matter what it is, just get involved, and especially with competitions like this, you really get hands-on, practical experience.
The ability to work with people and just go from a clean slate all the way up to a final design is important. So that ability to also put that in your resume is also crucial, because you're doing this on your own time, and it really shows a potential employer that you're passionate what you do. So I can try. Sure. So just fail forward, right? And a failure is just an opportunity to learn. That's it.
I think one thing I always try and emphasize is you can never ask too many questions. There's never a stupid question. I find especially with younger co-ops and stuff, in once they're doing a co-op term, they're always shy to ask people that they work for or with questions, and that's how you learn. That's the only way you really get an understanding, especially with engineering. You have to ask a lot of questions, and that's important.